Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Made Easy for Everyone. In today's lecture, we will be learning some of the basic concept of matrices. So today we will be seeing the definition of matrix, rows and columns, what are those, and order of a matrix. So let's start. So matrix is nothing but an ordered rectangular array of numbers and functions. So if you can see this definition here, it's nothing but the arrangement, you can say. So let me take an example. It's nothing but how you arrange it. So I can arrange 2, 5, 11, 6, 9, 7. These can have numbers in a matrix, or um, I can have 10x sin x plus y, 0 and 5. Okay, so the numbers or the functions you are writing here are nothing but called as entries of the matrix. So each the 2, 5 and 11, these are the entries or elements of this matrix. Okay, so next thing, let's see what are the rows and what are columns in a matrix. So let me write a matrix 2, 5, 11, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so the horizontal line of elements is nothing but row of a matrix. So we have row 1 and we have row 2. Similarly, the vertical line of elements of a matrix, take this, take this, nothing but column of a matrix. So we have 1, 2 and 3. So this matrix have 1 and 2 rows, 1, 2, 3 and 3 columns. Okay, this is nothing but rows and columns. Now let's see what is a order of a matrix. A matrix, let's say a matrix A with m rows and n column, then mat A matrix A is order of m cross n. So m cross n is the order of this matrix A. So let's take one example and see what actually how we determine the order. So let's say okay, matrix A 0, 5, 9, 12. Okay, so how many rows are there? We have one row and we have row 2. So we have 2 cross how many columns? Column 1, column 2. So A is nothing but matrix of 2 cross 2 order. Okay, now take one more example. Let's take matrix B. I can write 5, 9, 10, 16, 20, sin x 0, 1, x plus y 2. Okay, so B is nothing but we have one row and we have second row, 2 cross first column, second, third, fourth and fifth. So matrix B is nothing but order of 2 cross 5. Okay, so that's what we have for today's lecture. We covered matrix, what are rows, what are columns and order of a matrix. So this is very basic, but this is a starting point to go forward and to go to some of the advanced concepts in matrix. So in next lecture we will be going through what are different types of matrix. We have identity matrix, square matrix and so on. Plus we will be seeing different operations of matrices, and further down the line we can go to some advanced topics, how to determine the determinant of a matrix, inverse of a matrix, eigenvectors, eigenvalues, how to solve linear equations using matrix. Those are some of the advanced, but we will go through that once we have these basic concepts in our mind pretty much well practiced and understood. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next lecture.